Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, I am going to show you how can you unfriend someone on Bereal. So at first make sure that you have an account in Bereal app, and if you have an account, just go to the Bereal app. Now into the Bereal app, click on the top left these two human icon here. After clicking it, click on the bottom friends option. Now into the friends option, click on your friend that you want to unfriend. Now just click on the top right this three dot icon here. Now here you can see the third option is remove friendship. Click on it. Now here you can see the red confirmation button. By clicking it, you can just unfriend this friend from your Bereal. So guys, that's how you can unfriend someone on Bereal. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.